Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy Speak World, the channel where English becomes simple, clear, and natural.
Hi, dear learners from all around the world. We are so happy you are here with us today.
If this is your first time watching Easy Speak World, welcome. We are very happy to have you.
And if you enjoy learning English through real conversations, please like this video and subscribe to Easy Speak World.
Subscribing helps our channel grow and helps us create more English lessons for you every week.
All right, Gail, tell everyone, what is today's topic?
Today, we are talking about something that everyone has in their life.
Something we do every day.
Exactly. Today's topic is habits.
Daily habits, weekly habits, good habits, bad habits, and how to talk about them in English.
Warm-up conversation. Gail, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very good today, thank you. I had a peaceful morning.
That's nice to hear. A peaceful morning can make the whole day better.
I agree. My morning habits really help me feel calm.
That's interesting. My habits also affect my mood.
You see, habits are powerful.
Yes, they are. And that's why this topic is very important for English learners. What is a habit?
Let's start with a very simple question. Gail, what is a habit?
A habit is something you do again and again.
You do it so often that you don't think about it.
It becomes automatic.
For example, brushing your teeth.
Or washing your hands.
You don't decide every day, you just do it.
That's because it's a habit. Habits can be small actions.
And habits can be big routines.
Habits can be helpful.
And habits can also be harmful.
Let's talk about good habits versus bad habits.
Good habits are habits that help you.
They help your body, your mind, or your life.
For example, exercising is a good habit.
Eating healthy food is a good habit.
Sleeping enough is a good habit.
Now, bad habits are habits that do not help you.
They can be unhealthy.
They can waste time.
They can waste money.
For example, smoking is a bad habit.
Eating too much junk food is a bad habit.
Using your phone too much is also a bad habit for many people. Morning habits, deep discussion. Let's talk about morning habits in detail.
The morning is very important.
Yes, how you start your day can change how you feel all day.
Gail, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
That's quite early.
Yes, but I like waking up early.
Is waking up early a habit for you?
Yes, it is. I wake up at the same time every day.
Even on weekends?
Almost always. Sometimes I sleep a little longer.
What is the first thing you do after waking up?
The first thing I do is drink a glass of water.
Always?
Yes, always. It's a strong habit.
That's a very healthy habit.
Phone habits in the morning. Mark, do you check your phone in the morning?
Sometimes I do, but I try not to.
I usually check my phone first.
Many people do that.
I check messages, social media, and sometimes the news.
Do you think that's a good habit?
Honestly, no.
Why not?
Because it makes my mind busy very early.
I understand. It can create stress.
Yes, and it takes time. So using your phone too much in the morning can be a bad habit. Now let's talk about breakfast habits.
Do you always eat breakfast?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What happens if you don't eat breakfast?
I feel tired and weak.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs, fruit, or yogurt.
That sounds healthy. What about you?
I usually eat toast or cereal. And do you drink coffee?
Yes, I always drink coffee in the morning.
Always coffee?
Yes, coffee is my morning habit.
How many cups?
2 cups, sometimes 3.
That might be a little too much.
Yes, maybe it's a bad habit.
How do you usually go to work?
I usually drive.
Do you ever walk?
Sometimes, when the weather is nice.
Walking is a very good habit.
Yes, it's healthy and free.
I usually take the bus.
Do you like it?
Yes, I often listen to music on the bus.
That's a nice habit.
Now let's talk about very important words for habits.
These words help us talk about how often we do things.
The first word is always.
Always means 100% of the time.
For example, I always brush my teeth.
The next word is usually.
Usually means most of the time.
For example, I usually eat breakfast.
Then we have often.
Often means many times.
For example, I often drink coffee.
Next is sometimes.
Sometimes means not always.
For example, I sometimes watch TV at night.
And finally, never.
Never means 0% of the time.
For example, I never smoke. Now let's practice speaking together.
Please repeat after us slowly.
I always wake up early.
I usually eat breakfast.
I often drink tea.
I sometimes check my phone.
I never skip brushing my teeth. Excellent job! Let's quickly review what we learned in segment 1.
We learned what a habit is.
We talked about good habits and bad habits.
We discussed morning habits.
We talked about breakfast and daily routines.
And we practiced important frequency words.
Great work, everyone!
In segment 2, we will talk about work habits, study habits, and weekly routines.
So don't go anywhere.
Continue learning with Easy Speak World.
Let's start with work habits.
Work habits are the things you do again and again at work.
Good work habits help you work better.
They help you feel less stressed.
And they help you succeed.
Bad work habits can cause problems.
They can make you tired.
They can make your work difficult.
Mark, do you usually arrive at work early or late?
I usually arrive early,
How early?
about 10 to 15 minutes early.
That's a good habit.
Yes, it helps me feel calm.
I usually arrive on time.
Not early?
Sometimes early, sometimes exactly on time.
Do you ever arrive late?
Very rarely.
Arriving late often can be a bad habit.
What do you do first when you arrive at work?
First, I turn on my computer.
Do you check emails right away?
Yes, I usually check emails first.
Do you reply immediately?
Not always. I read them first.
That's smart. What about you?
I usually make a list of tasks.
A to-do list?
Yes, exactly.
That's a very good work habit.
Making a to-do list helps me stay organized.
What do you usually write on your list?
Meetings, emails, projects, and deadlines.
Do you finish everything on the list?
Not always.
Is that okay?
Yes, I move unfinished tasks to the next day.
That's a healthy habit.
Time management is very important at work.
Yes, good time habits help you finish work on time. Do you ever waste time at work?
Sometimes,
What do you waste time on?
checking my phone.
That's very common.
Using social media at work can be a bad habit.
I agree.
I try to check my phone only during breaks.
That's a good habit. Do you take breaks at work?
Yes, I usually take short breaks.
How often?
Every 1 or 2 hours,
What do you do during your break?
I stand up, stretch, or drink water.
That's very healthy. What about you?
I sometimes take a short walk.
Walking during breaks is a great habit.
Let's talk about communication habits at work.
Communication habits are very important. Do you usually speak politely at work?
Yes, always.
Do you listen carefully when others speak?
I try to.
Listening is a good habit.
Interrupting people is a bad habit.
I agree. Now let's talk about study habits.
Study habits are very important for English learners.
Good study habits help you learn faster.
Bad study habits slow you down.
Do you have a study schedule?
Yes, I do.
How often do you study?
I study English every day,
Every day. That's great.
even if it's only 15 minutes.
That's a very good habit.
What about you?
I usually study 5 days a week. Do you study for long hours?
No, I prefer short study sessions.
How long?
20 to 30 minutes.
That's smart.
Long study sessions can be tiring.
Short and regular study is a better habit. What tools do you use to study English?
I watch videos on Easy Speak World.
Thank you.
I also listen to podcasts.
Listening every day is a great habit.
Do you use a notebook?
Yes, I always write new words.
Writing helps you remember.
Speaking is very important.
Do you practice speaking every day?
Yes, I do.
How?
I talk to myself in English.
That's an excellent habit.
I also speak with friends.
Speaking regularly builds confidence.
Now let's talk about bad study habits.
Studying only before exams is a bad habit.
Yes, learning should be regular.
Studying without practice is also bad.
And being afraid of making mistakes.
Fear is a bad habit.
Now let's move to weekly habits.
Weekly habits are things you do every week.
For example, cleaning your house.
Or doing laundry.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually relax.
Do you work on weekends?
Sometimes.
Sprunty routines are habits that stick around.
Do you clean your house every week?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually clean?
The kitchen and the living room.
Cleaning regularly is a good habit.
Let's practice together again.
Repeat after us.
I usually arrive at work early.
I take short breaks at work.
I study English every day.
I practice speaking regularly.
Let's review segment 2.
We talked about work habits
We discussed study habits.
and weekly routines.
You're doing amazing.
In segment 3, we will talk about evening habits, lifestyle habits, and how to change bad habits and build new habits.
So stay with us.
And keep learning with Easy Speak World.
Welcome back, everyone.
You're doing a great job staying with us.
In this final segment, we are talking about evening habits, lifestyle habits, and how to change bad habits.
This is a very important topic.
Yes, because habits shape our life.
And small habits make a big difference.
Mark, let's start with evening habits.
Sure.
What do you usually do after work?
After work, I usually feel tired.
That's normal.
So the first thing I do is sit down and relax.
How long do you relax?
About 10 or 15 minutes.
That's a good habit.
It helps my mind rest.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I often watch TV.
How long?
Maybe 1 hour.
That's reasonable.
What about you?
I sometimes watch TV, but not every day.
What do you do instead?
I often read or listen to music.
Those are very relaxing habits.
Let's talk about dinner habits.
Okay.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes.
Yes, I often order food.
That can become an expensive habit.
I know. I'm trying to cook more.
That's a good goal.
What about you?
I usually cook at home.
Every day?
Almost every day.
That's a healthy habit.
What do you do after dinner?
I usually wash the dishes.
Right away?
Yes, right away.
That's impressive.
I don't like a messy kitchen.
I sometimes wait until the next morning.
That can be a dangerous habit.
I know, but I'm working on it. Let's talk about phone habits.
Ah, yes, a very modern problem.
Do you use your phone a lot at night?
Yes, I do.
Before bed?
Yes, sometimes too much.
That can affect sleep.
I know, it's a bad habit.
I try to put my phone away 1 hour before bed.
That's a great habit.
What do you do before sleeping?
I have a routine.
Tell us about it.
First, I brush my teeth.
Of course.
Then I read for about 10 minutes.
Reading is a very good habit.
After that, I turn off the lights and sleep.
Very healthy routine. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 11 p.m.
Is that early for you?
Not really, it's comfortable.
I usually go to bed earlier.
What time?
Around 10:30.
That's a great habit.
Good sleep helps everything. Now let's talk about lifestyle habits,
These are habits that affect your whole life.
like eating, exercise, and mindset.
Do you eat healthy food?
I try to.
What does that mean?
I usually eat vegetables with dinner,
That's good.
but I also eat snacks.
Everyone does.
The key is balance.
Do you exercise regularly?
I walk every day,
How long?
about 30 minutes.
That's excellent. What about you?
I do yoga 3 times a week.
That's a wonderful habit.
Let's talk about mental habits.
You mean how we think?
Exactly.
Positive thinking is a habit.
Yes, and so is negative thinking.
Complaining too much can be a bad habit.
Being grateful is a good habit. Everyone has bad habits.
Yes, nobody is perfect.
What is one bad habit you have?
I procrastinate.
That means delaying things.
Yes, I sometimes wait too long.
That's very common. So how can we change bad habits?
First, we need to notice them.
Awareness is the first step.
Second, we should start small.
Very important.
Big changes are difficult.
Small changes are easier. Let's talk about building new habits.
Okay,
What new habit do you want to build?
I want to read more.
How will you start?
I will read 1 page every night.
That's perfect. Now let's practice speaking together.
Repeat after us.
I usually go to bed early.
I am trying to build good habits.
I want to change one bad habit.
I practice English every day.
Learning English is a habit.
Yes, not a talent.
You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to be consistent.
5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Consistency beats intensity.
Let's do a final summary.
We talked about daily habits,
Work habits and study habits.
evening habits and lifestyle habits,
Good habits and bad habits.
and how to change habits step by step.
Now it's your turn.
Here is today's question.
What is one good habit you have?
And what is one bad habit you want to change?
Write your answer in the comments.
Use the words always, usually, often, or sometimes.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Please like this video.
it really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe to Easy Speak World.
We create simple, real English lessons for you.
New videos every week.
Thank you so much for learning with us.
You are doing an amazing job.
Keep practicing.
Keep building good habits.
And remember,
English becomes easy when it becomes a habit.
see you next time on Easy Speak World.